Okay, welcome to all. Next time I'm going to talk about the new file interfaces. So here you can select a new file. I have clearly explained what is mean by PPA. So if you are working on a photos, you can work only photos. If photos you cannot convert to web you cannot convert to this. Okay, I'll give a explanation about that. What is mean by PPA on this session. Again, here these two images we can see these are the promotional videos of Adobe. If they want any new features, you can download here. You can do that. Try next generation AI. So they used to give these things to you. So there is another download is available. They are showing. So you can hide these suggestions possible. Now these are the files I opened recently. So you can see uh, recent all these files I used, you know that in the previous videos I used this file. You can see these files. So another thing is you can convert this as a list. You can see here you can see work as a list. If you want as a thumbnail, you can work as a thumbnail. So this is a way you can check this interface. And if you are here also clear recent, you can clear the recent file list means all these lists will clear, but I am not doing that. And if you want to learn something, there is learning materials also here. Some of the thing you can go and check. So I'm going home again. So your files mean it is saved on the cloud interface. You can take these also. Again, I'm not shared to you means somebody shared your collaboration. You are working. Somebody can share the file with you. So that is called for a collaboration. So that will also I later I'll take. So this is a Lightroom photos. Any you are working on a Lightroom, you want to see that photos here, you can see that. Deleted means any files you mistakenly deleted, you can see here. So I clearly explained what is meant by list, what is meant by thumbnail, what is meant by home. And if you can hide this, show the suggestion and hide the suggestions. Okay. Now what I am going to do means file new. Then I am giving a this is the one web. Okay, then I'm going to select file new. What the changes I'm making here to 144 pixel. Create. So here you have two files. So I am going to file import. Otherwise, prior place I need to import one image. Taking Photoshop, I'm placing this image here. So you can see that file info. Okay, I'm not going to do this. And I am file I am placing here. Again, I am file place. Same copyright. See the same image I used to import in same width and height. So here it is displaying like this. Here is only displaying like this. What is the difference here? See, this is a 144 pixel. So this one is this is 144 pixel, then it is only the half the size. This is 72 pixel, this it will be bigger. So what you need to understand, when you export, you create something is different 144 pixel and exported, this will be bigger size in the web. So it is not exactly will not fit. And here also this is same thing, you are ulta vice versa also. If you are using something here in web, then you are going to use in print, then it is a big problem. So because the reason here the resolution will not be there for the image, and here the resolution will be there because it's 144. This is not the resolution for print. I'm just want to I showcase how when you are selecting the PPI, how the image is displaying the same image. But if it is again the image, I'm going to again I'm new. If it's a printing quality, I will show you. I'll go for print. I am placing to tablet. Otherwise, I'll take its web only photo means web same one I am taking it. Okay, here I am changing to print. Now I am going to place same image. So now you see that it is more bigger, right? No, this is I'm not thinking that it is correctly placed. 1 minute. Image new. I'll take here. That is easy. Print 300. Create file. Place. See, this is a size. This is a 300 resolution image. Only this much size is there. So if you double click it, you can understand that. So I think you clearly understand what is meant by PPI. So uh, whenever you are working, anything related to print, it is 300 PPI. Anything related to mobile, web, or other things, it is only 72 PPI, and it needs to be RGB color value. And whenever you want to print, that will convert to CMYK. That I will take you later. So only this much you understand now.